welcome to our Sideline Prep family. We are so excited that you are here. We are beyond honored that you are putting your trust in us to help guide you, lead you, coach you, and instruct you along your pro cheer path to going pro. We do what we do because we know that becoming a professional cheerleader, reaching your goals, reaching your dreams, accomplishing that thing that you want to accomplish is definitely and can be a life-changing experience.
And as CheerFit has grown, so has our program and our community. And now we not only help athletes, but also our boss babes, our former athletes, our busy moms, really to have fun working out. So we are going to sweat, we are going to smile. Most importantly, I want you guys to have fun while we're doing the workout.
I was in all of your shoes 4 or 5 years ago now, and all of this is really coming full circle. I'm honored to be here, honored to talk to all of you and to share my experience, the lessons I've learned, the things that have worked and have not worked, and just really get you all of the tips and tricks and confidence that you need to go for your dreams, because it is absolutely worth it.
This is something that you take with you forever. This and these skill sets go beyond the field, and that's why I am so passionate about it, and again, so thankful for you guys giving me your time.
Always know that wherever you are in life, you are enough. So just be kind to yourself and to work hard and to put yourself in a situation so that you're growing.
So you're not too old. You're not too tried out too many times. Oh my gosh, nobody wants to see me try out again. You're never that.
You can skip the overwhelm, frustration, and doubt. You can fast track your way to success when you decide I'm worth the investment of getting a coach. I'm worth the investment of putting in the time to level myself up, not just with pro cheer and all the elements of an audition, but also your mindset, your confidence, your interview skills, how you feel about yourself from the inside out, how you fuel your body with food and water and nutrition. It all starts and can start right now. So let me know if you are ready to get it started. Are you ready to get started? Are you ready to literally level up in numerous ways, not just with the pro cheer, but in all areas of your life?
You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Just do it. You need to just go, get out of your head. I feel like that's the number one block is your mind. And I know it doesn't pertain to the look, but the look also has something to do with it. If you're not confident in your look, you're not going to feel 100% when you go to that audition. But if you make that decision, I'm going, follow through and just do it. The worst that could happen is they say, no, not right now.
Everybody has an outfit that they look amazing in, no matter where you are in your journey. So find what that is. And I know that it's out there for you.
You don't have to hate it. Like, it doesn't have to be the hardest part of your training. Treat it as like your nice self-care routine at the end of the night, like stretching out. It should feel good. It should be like your reward. Like I'm like, oh, I'm gonna get to stretch after this. Kind of shifting that mentality of like, oh, I have to stretch. You get to stretch. Like you get to thank your body for all the super hard work it just did.
Number one, you're strong. Number two, you are confident, right? That is like your key to everything. You need to be confident in yourself because other people will see that. And you need to stay consistent. Taking a dance class here and there or saying, I'm gonna diet for this week and then not next week, it just doesn't work. And so if you wanna be on a field or a court or the ice, like you can be there. I want you to visualize yourself there, and you can do it as long as you are willing to put in the work. No one else can do it for you. You have to want it for yourself.
The fact that you are here today and that you have decided I am going to audition to be a pro dancer is amazing. So give yourself so much credit for that. Walk into auditions with a growth mindset. I only have something to gain from this experience. I only have something to gain. I am strong. I am fierce. I believe in myself.
I believe in myself. Yes!
This has been such an incredible event.